here actually I want to create a good receipt. Okay, so in this process, when I am going to create this, I face the error, and error is check table T159L entry AP11 does not exist. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how can we resolve this error. Okay, so I am going to open the new GUI window page. Click here and press the transaction code SPRO and then press enter. Okay, so in new GUI window page I am going to resolve this error. Okay, actually that error, we need to maintain here plant parameters. Okay, so right here transaction code SPRO, then press enter and go to SAP reference IMG page, and then after go to material management. Okay, material management, and then go to, so in material management, go to the inventory management and physical inventory. Click here and go to plant parameters. So resolve that error, we need to maintain the plant parameters. So click on the radio button, and here you can maintain here two methods. One, go to new entry, and second one, use the copy method. So I am going to show you copy methods. It's a easy and fast methods. Okay, so click this 0001 plant. Actually this is the default plant created by SAP system, and go to copy button. Click here, and if you go to new entry you need to check all the things, write all the things, but you go to the copy methods, no need to check here and click here and write here anything. Only write here your plant code, fill a plant code. Actually my plant is AP11. Okay, so click here and then press enter. Okay, so number of entries copied, and go to save. Check this. So our plant parameters is maintained. Okay, go to back, and let, if you want to check this, go to here and you have to send this AP11 plant 1 or Panther Private Limited. This is my plant name, is maintained in this plant parameter section. Okay, so this is the process to resolve this, and then I am going to go to the good receipt purchase order pages. Okay, and then check this, and then you have to see this the error is resolved. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you watching this video. Actually in this video I have resolved the error. Okay, so stay with our training video. We need to please like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for stay with our training video. Okay, thank you so much, thank you so much for watching this video.